Hi, I'm Patty, and this is a bit of a grab bag this week of what I'm talking about. I've had so much patient care, and I feel like there's not really a trend this week with patients. Usually I'll see a trend, but this week I feel there's a lot of people that have a lot of life happening, meaning in the midst of trying to prioritize their health, they're meeting with a dietitian every other week, once a month, or whatever, and they're really trying to focus on foods that can impact their disease or just prevent disease. But then a lot of life happens. There's an incident at work. Someone passed away in their circle or their family. They're going on a trip. They're coming back from a trip. They're starting a new job. They're starting school. And there's a lot of things happening. And spoiler alert, that is always going to be the case when it comes to your health. There's always going to be something that is happening. The best health plans are the ones that are easiest to follow in the midst of life. If the health plan takes over your life, and when an accident happens or something just so unexpected happens and you have to forego your plans, it probably wasn't the best. Not saying that like a detox or a reset is a bad thing. It's not really a bad or good thing, but longevity and behaviors that are sustainable are where you're going to see your health truly change in 6 to 12 months. 6 to 8 week plans, they might work and they might kickstart some motivation, but the motivation will die. And so what little behaviors can you commit to that you could see yourself doing in December, even through the holidays? Let me know in the comments.